Hi everyone, this is Oscar here again from Liwaliw Travels. Guys, I only have an announcement sa mga nag-i-inquire po sa atin sa Liwaliw Travel and Tours na nagtatanong kasi we have other partners, our affiliate travel agents from Liwaliw that located sa other province ng buong Canada and even in the US. Some inquiry na mga nagtatanong sa atin, tinatanong nila, let's say for example, sir, yung Prime Travels po ba is isa lang sa Liwaliw Travels? Actually, isa lang po sila, no? Isa lang po sila. But they are our agent partners sa iba't ibang location dito sa Canada. Without further ado, I'm gonna explain everything to you guys para mas malinawan nyo, no? So mapapansin nyo, ang official Liwaliw FB page cover is this one here, no? So ito yung Liwaliw Travel and Tours. And we are located here in Alberta, Calgary, no? Dito sa New Horizon Mall. We have other travel agent kasi na nag-advertise din through Facebook. So, nagtatanong sila, is it the Prime or is it the Infinitum? Also, in one sa Liwaliw Travels, to be honest po, iisa lang po kami, no? We are a partner agent with them, no? So, kung makikita nyo at nag-inquire kayo, iisa lang yan. You can literally book po. Kung, let's say, ang nakita nyo, I'll give you an example. Mag-open ako ng isang partner natin na agent na located sa, let's say, so makikita nyo, the Prime Travel and Tours, and makita nyo yung logo namin ng Liwaliw Travels, they are partnered with us. They are kind of like a franchise agent with us, no? So, pag may nakita kayong ganyan, you can also book with them and they are legit po. So, ang Prime Travels po is located in Edmonton. So, makita nyo, kung gusto nyo mag-book, no? Kung just in case na nandiyan kayo sa Edmonton, you can also book with them sa Prime Travel and Tours po. They are our partners, no? Travel agents. So, wala pong problema dyan. Marami kasi, they're from different location dito sa Canada. And even in the US, meron din po tayo. So, makikita niyo po itong 888 Travel and Tours. They are located in Saskatchewan. They are advertised through in Facebook. Kaya, maaaring mapadpad sa timeline niyo yan. And kung magbubuk po kayo sa kanila, feel free to do so po kasi they are legit and they are partner with us po. Itong isang partner natin from, actually ito, they are in the United States sa California. So mapapansin niyo po, yung logo po ng Liwaliw Travel Official, FB logo, nandiyan po sa kanila. But they have their own agency logo, no? So makikita niyo dito in case RD Leisure Travel and Tours, no? So just in case po na mapadpad po sa inyong timeline yan, pwede po kayong mag-book sa kanila, literally po, no? So ito, Infinitum Travel and Tours, no? Which is located in Vancouver. So pag nakita niyo po yung aming official logo ng Liwaliw Travels, pwede po kayong mag-book sa kanila. Wala po tayong magiging problema dyan. And Liwaliw Travels are growing and we are invading all across Canada and the US. So makikita niyo po yung logo namin sa mga partner agent namin sa iba't ibang parte ng Canada and the US po. So yun po, wag po kayong mag-alala, they are partner with us and they are legit as well. So hang on. So kung meron pa kayong ibang katanungan regarding travel and tours, feel free to contact us. Our main branch is in New Horizon Mall, Calgary, Alberta. Nandito, no? Nandito po tayo sa mall. So, yun po. Ang Liwaliw Travel Tours po ay mas dadami pa in the future sa ating mga freelance agent. Anyway, I hope you learn on this video regarding sa pagbubook sa Liwaliw Travels and Tours. Have a great day. Bye.